Today we're painting nucs like a pro. Hello, I'm Griffiths, welcome to Winning Griffith. Here we talk everything beekeeping, farming, countryside living. Now we do reviews as well. Now it is a hot one. It's just me in today. Andy's got a day off. And I've been doing the odd and sods jobs this morning. Gonna get baler up. We're on the hay and on the hay as well. So that's being probably baled up now as we speak. Just gone in the house. That's the only Guinness I drink. Squash. Ooh, must be 25 degrees easy. But today's job, painting nucs. This is what I'm up to. I got a bit of a paint station here. Since the sun is so hot and warm today, the paint is drying up perfect. That's a bit rough. I'm actually mixing paint. So I've got some Protect there, some, I don't know, some old masonry paint. I'm just mixing the quarter tubs together and just making a paint. Proper beekeeper's paint really, because I hate having waste, and if there's a little bit left, it's not enough to do a few. So I'm just shaking them up, making a mix, and it's gone to this greyish, pinkish, purplish. You can see that's more of a pinkish but there, and we're going more of a greyish here. So that's what we're doing. Spray painting out here. I'll show you the spray gun in a minute. It's easy now. I used to paint everything with a brush, but now we're using this. This is an Airless Sprayer. I've just washed it before going in for food. And what's that say? Wagner Airless Sprayer. So you just plug it into the wall, and then you got a fair old stretch. We'll film myself using it now, but basically you spray the boxes in no time, flying through it, and basically one coat is enough. So if we look at this, that's one coat. It's dried up already. No need for a second coat. Now the way I paint, whether I'm painting panes or BS, I paint them upside down. So I put that upside down so I can get underneath as well, all the sides, and then I put the roof next door. Then once it's had one coat, I assemble it back up, and then I get the spray, then get it in this little bit, because that's the annoying bit. Everything is painted really nice apart from in there. Now you will never get a spray finish with a brush. The spray finish is far superior than a brush, but you do end up using a lot more paint. And if you look at the floor, there is wastage with the sprayer, but you gain on time. You lose money in paint, but you gain money in labour. And I was going to show you quickly, this is how I paint the BS Honeybees nucs. Same thing again, I turn these upside down, so I like painting the underneath as well. Do the feeder and the roof. Obviously I don't paint inside of the nucs at all. And then it's the same, I turn that down, put the roof on, and then I get this little bit in here. And that's it. Doesn't take long. Takes longer to clean everything down than actually paint. Right. Get this plugged in and show you how good it is. Fill it up to the top. This goes in. Hands are dirty before you even start. And is this on? No, better plug that on. Yeah? Think so. And that's it. That is how you paint the Beehive like a pro with an airless sprayer. Now there are much better sprayers on the market than this one. This one being, I don't know, basic range, or the entry level I suppose in sprayers. It's a Wagner 230 volt. Any other information on there? No. But, oh, there you go, there's the name. Wagner Flexio. That's what that is called. And you got power on the back here, so if you turn it on, that's max. And you can turn the pressure down. That controls how much paint goes out. You don't want that too strong, just enough. Now this thing isn't without its flaws. If there's any kind of bits in your paint, long bits that are starting to dry, that can block it up, so you got to take the nozzle off, take that out, put it back on. But if your paint is thin and clean, then it does an excellent job. As you can see, it is basically a one coat solution regardless of the type of paint you use, because you can spray on a thick coat and it doesn't really run, it just stays on pretty good. So that's how much I've done in a short time really. I just did a little hour before food and just had those extra bits of hives that I wanted to do at the end. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 nucs, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 double brood boxes. So that's not bad. What do you think of this sprayer? Has it done a good job? Let me know in the comments, how do you guys paint your hives? Do you use a brush, or have you got some kind of sprayer similar to this? See you in the next video.